Welcome back to the RMS 3.0 class for the Contractor. Congratulations on passing the quiz. Let's get right into Chapter 4. In this chapter, we'll go over adding a contract into RMS, adding staff, adding user roles, assigning user roles, and setting new user role permissions. After contract award, the USACE representative will enter contract information into the Contract Description module. Once this is complete, the contractor will complete the setup. To get to the contract, log into RMS and select the contractor and the contract you'll be working with. From the Contract menu, make sure you're on the Administration tab. Then click on Contract Description. This will take you to the module containing general contract information that has been entered by the USACE representative for the contract. All of the information in the Contract Description module is read-only, so if something needs to be changed, make sure you contact your USACE representative for the contract. Once you've confirmed everything is correct on the contractor's administrator can add other important information for the contract, such as contract information, staff information, user roles, and USACE reps. So we'll start by completing the prime contractor information and adding new staff to the contract. Let's go back to the Contract menu and click on Prime Contractor from the Administration tab. The first screen you'll see is the Prime Contractor screen. Make sure the fields are filled and this section is as complete as possible. When you have completed filling in the Prime Contractor information, click the Back button to save your work. If you look towards the top of the screen, you'll see two tabs, Prime Contractor Info, which should be the tab you are currently on, and Contractor Staff. Click on the Contractor Staff tab. This is where you will add new staff to the contract. Click Add and provide the staff member's email in the pop-up window. The email address you add here must match the email address the staff member will use in RMS. When an account is added incorrectly, it never links in RMS. However, the administrator can delete an incorrect entry, then add the correct information. Here, you'll add the new staff member's first and last name and whether you want this person to have administrative rights. We'll talk about administrative rights and user roles in just a few minutes. Once you've added the staff member's name, you'll be asked for their role. In this instance, we're adding someone to do submittals, a submittal clerk. Enter the role information and click OK. Often, it is important to restrict access to certain modules and features in Contractor mode. A good example is with the Progress Payments module, where all the pay requests are found. Some users may want to restrict access to this module to certain people who can see the pay requests. Still others may want permissions to prepare the pay request while not being able to complete it. RMS Contractor mode offers the ability to restrict access to some 26 different modules and features. These different access controls may be grouped together and given a name such as Submittal Clerk for users who are responsible for entering and monitoring submittals and transmittals, or QC Supervisor for users who are responsible for entering and managing QC-related data such as daily reports, equipment checks, and exposure hours. When various access controls are grouped together, it is called a role. Setting user roles is done outside of the contract at the Contract Selection screen. Users in Contractor mode may also be given administrator privileges. An administrator is like a super user in that they have full access to every contract that has been linked with their employer, and they may grant or revoke administrator privilege to any other Contractor mode user in their company. It is important to note that only a Contractor mode user with administrator privilege may access the Contract Access Control module for each contract. Set the permissions for the new staff member and click OK. If you've made a mistake or need to add more user permissions or take away user permissions, you can do this. Go back to the Contractor Staff modules in the Prime Contractor tab and make your changes. It's worth saying again, always click the Back button to commit your changes. In our example of adding a submittals user role, we gave this person both read and write access to the submittal register and transmittal log only. And in this final example, the Quality Control Manager has been given read-write and read-only access to the Quality Assurance control permissions. And this wraps up Chapter 4 of RMS 3.0. There is a short quiz you will want to take in order to proceed. Once you're finished, I'll see you over in Chapter 5.
Hi there, I'm Alex from Titan University, the leader in government construction, safety, quality control, and environmental training. We hope you enjoyed the Module 4 preview of the course Mastering RMS. Please like, share, and comment if you did. We'd really appreciate it. If you want to learn more, or get your Mastering RMS certificate, head on over to Titan University by clicking the link below. Our courses are affordable and easy to comprehend. Plus, we also have course materials you can download to assist you. The Mastering RMS course has several modules. But no worries if you can't finish it all in one sitting. You can take as long as you like to complete it. If you are, or want to be, a quality control manager for construction, this Mastering RMS course just might be for you. Please don't forget to like and share. We hope to see you over on Titan University.